That is Monday, May 11th, and let's hop in. So today's story is about animal crackers. I hope you know what I'm talking about. I actually love the chocolate ones, but today we're talking about I have 5 bags of animal crackers. There are 6 crackers in each bag. How many animal crackers do I have? So I'm guessing we're talking about small bags because the usual bags that I get of animal crackers are about this big. But we're going to think that they're small bags of animal crackers, kind of like what we get for snack. And in each bag we have 6 crackers. And I want to know how many animal crackers do we have altogether. We're going to hop right into our retelling. So I need you to pause and we're going to retell. So make sure that you are reading over the question right now if you need. And it does not need to be word for word, but you need to make sure that you're telling me exactly what the problem is saying. And pause right now so we can get going. All right. I hope you did a really great job and we're going to keep going. So when you look at this problem, it is CGI sheet 30. So make sure you're grabbing that right now. Make sure you're opening to the correct page. And the first thing we're going to do is read and reread. I have 5 bags of animal crackers. There are 6 crackers in each bag. How many animal crackers do I have? So I'm going to pause right now. You're going to pause as well and read the problem to yourself. Okay, great job. We're going to hop right into cubes now. So make sure you have a pencil or a pen available and we're going to go through this together. So make sure that when you have yours open, you're doing the correct things and we're going to be circling the numbers. I actually have my sheet right here too. And I'm going to make sure I'm doing it on my piece of paper as you're doing it on yours. So right now, circle the key numbers and the units. So right now I have my paper and I'm going to do exactly as we're doing it now. So I see I have 5 bags of animal crackers. I already see in the first line that we have 5 bags. So I'm going to circle that just like that as well. So you're doing that as well. If you want to use colors at this point because you have them, great. If you want to just use regular pencil, that's absolutely fine. That's what we're circling, underlining, and boxing separately. The next thing I see are there are 6 crackers in each bag. Doing it right now on my paper as well. And we're going to look and see, I don't see any more numbers or units here, so we're going to move on to U for underline. It is asking you to underline the question. I'm actually going to switch pens because I do have a variety of colors here. And underline the question. And that should be, how many animal crackers do I have? Again, we're doing exactly what it should look like on your paper. So I did C for circle, U for underline. And now we're going to move on to boxing the math action words. What are they asking you to do? So I'm looking at this problem going, I have 5 bags of animal crackers. There are 6 crackers in each bag. How many crackers do I have? Well, they're asking you to put 6 crackers in each bag. So I'm actually going to box that together. Just like that. So I have 2 things circled, 1 thing boxed, and I have my question underlined. So make sure you're doing all of that. And we're going to go and do our more and less than questions. So right now, do I have more or less than 6 animal crackers? Make sure you're pausing to explain why and using the I think I have more or I think I have less because. So I'm going to pause right now, you're going to pause, and you're going to tell me, why do you think you have more than 6 animal crackers or less than 6 animal crackers? All right, now that you're done explaining, we're going to just go over some key details before you solve. So we already went over this, that we circled the 5 bags and the 6 crackers. We underlined how many animal crackers do I have. We boxed each bag. And now we need to think about this problem before we move on so that you can go solve. So think about the fact that you have these small bags of animal crackers. Now, how many do you have? Well, you go back into the problem and you look at it going, oh yeah, I circled that. You have 5 bags. And in each of these bags, how many crackers do you have in each bag? In one bag, you have 6 crackers, and then it keeps going. So you need to think about this while you're solving the problem. Now make sure that you are on the right page. It should be CGI page 30, and everything on this side should be completed before you watch my videos. Don't forget that you have to do your name, your day, your college. This should already be done where you underlined, circled, and boxed with me, so that's not a problem. Now make sure that you're solving everything in the middle, but you're also writing your number sentence and your word sentence right down here. This is a number sentence which has the plus and the equal sign, or the minus and the equal sign, or the multiplication sign, and this is the answer of how many animal crackers do I have? I have blank animal crackers. This is your word sentence. So make sure everything is complete before you look at my videos of how I solved. Then once you're done with that, you can actually do this page. So my third way, if you found the way that you liked that I did, you can copy it right in here. Then you need to explain your thinking of how did you solve this first way? How did you do the vertical way? What are you going to tell the teacher when they're writing it on the board for you? And I'll see you in a little bit with my ways and at the end. All right, good luck, and I'll see you in a little bit.
I know that I have 5 bags of animal crackers, and then in each bag there are 6 crackers. So that's what I know right now. So I'm actually going to draw my 5 bags. So my first way is always drawing. I'm going to draw my bags. How many? Well, it says right here we have 5 bags. So I'm just going to draw 5 boxes. And in each box I should have 6 crackers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw it in doubles. And this one, we're just going to count them all. So there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we should have 30 animal crackers in all right now. Crackers in all. For my second way, we still have the 5 bags. We still have the 6 crackers in each bag. So again, I'm going to draw my 5 boxes. Doesn't have to be perfect, and I'm going to actually just write 6 in each. We don't have to draw them because I know there are 6 crackers in each. And we're just going to add them. So 6 and 6 is 12. So then we're going to do 12 plus 6, which is 18. And then we're going to add 6 again. Oh, I'm going to put that right here. So 6 and 18. If you're not sure, you can always do it vertically right underneath. That came out to 4. And that's 24. And then we're going to add one more time. That's a 0, and that's a 3, so you end up with 30 again. I hope the last method is what you are using, and we're going to actually just do doubles here. We're going to add using doubles. So now we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and I'm going to put a 6 on each line. The lines are the bags, so that's why there's 5. And then the 6 is the crackers. So then we're going to add, because we're going to put the plus signs. I'm actually going to do the doubles together. So 6 and 6 is 12. 6 and 6 is 12. And then I'm going to bring this one down because you can't forget it. Then you're going to add this line. 12 and 12 is 24, which you know. And then you add 6 more, which is 30. Awesome.
Alright, so now that you're done with this part, now we can see what our answer is. So my number sentence was, you can do a multiplication problem, but I actually stuck with the addition problem, the repeated addition, which was the 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 30. And my word sentence was, I have 30 animal crackers. Great job today, and I will see you tomorrow.